This is my equipment list for the podcast assignment. First, I'll be showing the mic and its stand. I have 3 mics, but only 1 stand. I'll be using this for when I'm recording, so I can record the levels on the Zoom. Now, in order for these to connect, I need to use one of these. This end will plug into the Zoom, and each one of these has a different number on here. So for example, this one here is 1. Now they're connected. Well, connecting them here is pretty simple. You just plug them in. When you're taking them out, you need to make sure to hold down this here so that they release nice and easy. Now, when I'm going to be recording, I will have other mics here in this bag, and I have other cords. This blue one here is long, so the guest will be able to sit opposite, and we can have a natural conversation. Now, when using this, you turn it on right here, holding that down, and the screen will turn on. When I am recording on the day, I will have headphones connected to this so I can hear myself back and know I'm talking at the correct volume or distance. Now, when I say distance, that is because if I'm speaking like this, that will work. If I'm like this, it won't be picked up very well. If I'm like this, it's not going to sound very nice. It's going to be distorted, going into the red levels on the volume. Same as if I was like this and it was facing that way, it will not be a very good quality. Now, when recording, as you can see on here, as I'm speaking, I'm too close, it's going into the red. As I'm like this, as you can see, it is a nice volume. And that is recorded on this through this button, number 1. On the day, if I do 2 and 3, as they are plugged into 2 and 3, they will be recorded at the same time onto an SD card, which is in this port here. And then I can transfer that to the computer. When I am recording, these dials here, for each one, I'm going to have them set to around 8, as if they are too low or too high, the audio quality will suffer and it just won't be very good. To record on the device and have it copied to the SD, I need to click this red record button here. As you can see, it is recording. You see the counters going up, and I will speak into the mic as so when I'm recording. I will be listening back, and I can hear myself to make sure everything's going right, and I won't have to do any more retakes. Now, you can either stop the recording or you can pause. As you can see, it's paused. But as we won't be doing any breaks really, we can just keep it there and stop recording at the end. Now, after I've done recording with this, everything can be uploaded. So, all I really need to do is monitor and keep everything running smoothly. Make sure I am doing the right distance, make sure everyone else is keeping that right flow, and pretty much just monitor so that it's correct. That's all I'll be doing. There's the equipment list.